We're going to explain how to connect a Java backend with an HTML CSS frontend. This involves several key steps. 1. First, you need a Java backend built using a framework like Spring Boot or Jakarta EE. This backend will handle the business logic and data management. It will expose APIs, typically RESTful APIs, which your frontend can communicate with. 2. Next, you'll need your frontend, built using HTML, CSS, and likely JavaScript. This frontend handles the user interface, what the user sees and interacts with. 3. The crucial connection happens through these APIs. Your JavaScript code in the frontend will use techniques like Fetch API or XML HTTP request to send requests, like GET or POST, to the URLs specified by your Java backend's APIs. 4. These requests will transmit data to your Java backend, which processes it according to your application's logic. For example, a request might ask for a list of users, or it might send data to create a new user account. 5. Your Java backend will then send a response back to the frontend. This response will usually be in JSON or XML format, containing the data requested or the results of the operation. 6. Finally, your JavaScript code will handle this response, parsing the JSON or XML and updating the HTML content dynamically to show the data to the user. For instance, if you requested a list of users, your JavaScript would take that JSON data and then update the HTML to display the list. 7. To make this communication secure, you'll often use HTTPS for your API endpoints. This ensures data transmitted between the front-end and back-end is encrypted. 8. Consider using a build tool like Maven or Gradle for your Java backend, and a package manager like NPM or Yarn for your front-end to manage dependencies. 9. Testing is crucial. You'll need to thoroughly test both the backend and front-end separately, and then together to ensure seamless integration and functionality. This might include unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. 10. Finally, deploy both your backend and frontend. You'll need a server to host your Java application and a way to serve your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, possibly using a cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, or a simpler solution like a shared hosting provider. Remember that the specifics will depend on your chosen frameworks and technologies, but these steps provide a general overview of connecting a Java backend with an HTML, CSS frontend.